This is tasty, smoky, wonderful pig candy. Finished it off with a hot honey sauce by Kinder's. This was terrific. Put it on the Traeger. It was so easy and so tasty. Watch just how we did this. Okay, so we're going to get started making this pig candy. First thing that we're starting out with is this dry cured bacon. This is Fletcher's brand, came from Costco in a 2-pack. This is half of it, so we're gonna cook this up today. I'm gonna start out by just putting it on with some paprika. This is some smoked paprika. Just basically put it in the smoker on a tray, so imparted some smoke taste to it. We're gonna put that on to begin with, and then we're gonna finish it off with a Kinder's hot honey barbecue sauce. Picked this up at Costco also. I think this will be good just because I want to add some heat and some sweet, but I don't want to do it at the beginning. I'm going to crank this guy up to about 400 degrees on this Traeger 125, and in doing that, I'm afraid that this hot honey with all the sugars in there is going to just end up burning on the outside. So I'd like this to be a glaze at the end at a little bit of a lower temp, but we want to render out that thick cut bacon first. So let's hop to it. One of the things I like to do when I am cooking is I like to use some portable racks. Just makes it so much easier for the cleanup and also to move things on and off of the grill. So there we go, we have got enough to fit on 2 racks rather nicely, so no need to do the rest of it. We'll save this for another project. So now we're just going to take a little bit of this smoked paprika and just dust it on there. Nice covering on everything. This will kind of cook down into it a little bit as it renders on the Traeger, and then last step, we're gonna add this. Super simple, this is gonna taste great, looking forward to it. Let's go put them on here. There we go, those are all nestled in there, and we're just gonna let them chill out. Kicked it up to 400 degrees. That's gonna render that out. We're gonna keep a good eye on them. We've got enough pellets in there. So let's check them back when those are ready to put the glaze on. So we're doing well, these are rendering out great, so it's time for us to open that bad boy up and to get this glaze on. This has definitely got some heat to it. Wow, that has definitely got some good heat to it. It's sweet, I think this is a great taste. Can't wait to put this on. We're just gonna pour it straight onto the bacon, and then just use this little silicone brush to be able to move it around a little bit and baste it out. There we go. That couldn't have been too much easier. This is just a super simple little recipe, but boy, it is some great stuff. Just going to give it a little bit more time for this to render out and for that great sauce to be able to cook in as a glaze. Then we're going to give them a try. All right, I just did a quick check on these. These are looking really good. I think it's time to pull them off. So there they are. We're going to give these a few minutes to kind of cool down, but we've got a nice glaze on there. Yeah, that's looking pretty wonderful. There's a few of these got a little bit toastier because more heat comes around the edge of that heat shield. But just know your grill. I've got a video. It's up there. I don't know. I'll put it here somewhere where I show you how to find out where the hot spots on your grill are. So that's real important so you don't end up with really kind of more burnt, darker stuff there and areas here that are a lot lighter. What I should have done is move these around while they were cooking, but hey, you know what? It's bacon. You can't ruin it too much. We're going to give these a few more minutes and they'll cool down and then we'll give them a try. So there it is. We added a little bit more of this Kinder's hot honey at the end and brushed it on. That is really wonderful. Can't wait till these cool down a little bit. The bacon on there will just stiffen up a little bit. This will be just a fantastic little treat. If you like cooking fun little appetizers like this, hit that subscribe button. And what'll happen is you'll get notified each time I put out a new video. Share it with some friends, hit the like on there, and make sure that you go out and cook something great in your backyard this weekend. And from Barbecue Plus, thanks for watching.